Hi everyone, this is Chef Atharva Dalvi. This is our new channel Food on Fire. So today we are going to make a penne with cheese sauce. So for that we have to make a cheese sauce. So let's see what we need for that. So 500 ml of milk, 50 gram refined flour, 50 gram butter, grated cheese 50 gram, cloves and bay leaf, and one small size onion. So first we have to keep a milk for boiling with studded onion. So for studded onion we are taking bay leaf, 2 cloves and stucking this on this onion. So here it is. So this is our studded onion. So we are keeping this aside and keeping milk for boiling. So first we have to make a cheese sauce. So let's see what we need for that. So we are keeping this inside and adding milk. Okay, so now we are keeping this on low flame till it boils. Okay. So we are boiling our pasta right now. This is penne pasta. We taken it 250 grams of pasta. We are adding in boiling water. Increase this flame. So in this water we are adding 10 grams of salt. Okay, this much. Okay, so till it boils, side by side we just boil our pasta till al dente stage. So al dente stage is a pasta when we are boiling it till 70 to 80%. Okay, so our pasta is now ready. So we are just adding little bit of oil which it prevents from sticking. Okay, 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay, so now we are making a cheese sauce. So first we take a butter in a pan. So now we are adding 50 grams of refined flour. Always remember that we have to keep the same quantity as we used for butter. The butter and flour has to be in equal quantity. So we are just cooking this mixture till it becomes brown. Not very brown, just blonde color we need. So the mixture is ready now. We are adding milk. So we have to whisk this mixture now. It will reduce the lumps. Whisk this properly. Add the remaining milk. Okay. So we have to whisk this till it boils. So this mixture is started boiling now. We are adding cheese, 50 grams. You can add more cheese if you want, because some people like cheese, some are not. So it's up to your choice. Okay, so now our sauce is ready. So we are adding pasta. Okay, so now we are adding little bit of salt. black pepper. So our pasta is ready now. It looks very cheesy. Okay, so our pasta is ready now. We are garnishing this with little bit of fresh herbs. Okay. Okay, so now we are adding little bit of chili flakes. Chili flakes, little bit of spiciness. I like spicy and hot things, so we are adding little bit more because I like spicy. Okay, so now our penne with cheese sauce is ready. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.